Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers team. Out here with the video we've been waiting for down here in Blue Springs on the solar project. So as you can see, we are just finishing up the painting of all of the newly mortared walls, our new bulkhead walls with that white dry lock waterproofing paint. So it is. It looks great down here. The walls are secured. We've gone ahead and remortared all of the walls. The ceiling as well we got taken care of. We just have this last little bit here. We got our chute in place because we are going to be pouring our little 3-inch cap on the floor, and that will be it for this project. So very, very nice work. We were able to start this project on Wednesday last week. Got the bulkhead wall Thursday, got the walls mortared on Friday. Monday we were back out here where we got all the painting, the majority of the painting done. Just a complete transformation. So if you go back and take a look at the videos I took last week, I make it a point to say go and take a look at those the first videos and compare them to the day that we're finished, or the day that we've got all the painting done, because that is really the before and after that we're waiting for on these projects. So great job. We'll try to get some pictures here in just a bit once we get our chute finish up, get the concrete out here. So stay tuned for those last little video updates. You can find those on our YouTube channel and Facebook, King Piers LLC. Please give us a like and subscribe if you have not already. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com, and you can always give us a call at 1-816-288-4373.